First, you need your peanuts. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Alira and Daisy and Addie and Gail and David. Guess what we're making today in the Thermomix? Peanut butter! Because I love peanut butter. First, you need your peanuts. Then, you need the Thermomix lid. Make sure you've got your measuring cup in. And down here, and we're going to go 10 seconds. Whoop. 10 seconds. Speed 4. Ooh. Is that peanut butter yet? No, I don't think so. We need to add one more ingredient. We need to add some oil. Once we add some oil, just a little bit, not a lot, maybe a tablespoon. Then we have peanut butter. Yum. There it is. Goodbye, Daisy, Addie, and Alira. I hope you enjoyed the peanut butter recipe, and I hope to hear that you help Mummy make some peanut butter. And then you can have some peanut butter on toast like me. Have a good night, and I'll see you after lockdown, hopefully before Christmas. Gotta love living in Sydney, guys.